So welcome. I am RofhiwaReneilwe. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So without wasting any of your time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time I post. Because you know what? What are you doing? Why are you not liking? I'm waiting. So thank you for doing that. And if you're a new person, much love. Hop on the train. And we are on our way to 100 subscribers. Yeah, we're almost halfway to 50. Maybe I'll do something different on the 100 subscribers. So please do the most, tell your friend or two, because honey, it is good for you. So that's wasting enough of your time. Let's get straight into the video. My subbies, you look absolutely amazing. And while we're on that, make sure that you are prepping your skin with products that are friendly to your skin. I am using a sunscreen and a face primer. Now, draw your eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow gel, and to clean out the outlines, use a concealer or a foundation and blend the outlines. What you do here is pretty simple. Just apply the eye primer and blend. That's it. Now let's come to the creative part, my favorite part, which is eyeshadows. Grab your eyeshadow palette and your brush. The colors that we're using is Dreams, which is light, and Sundown, which is orange, brown, and white. So do it with me and enjoy. Let's move to the eyeliner step. Draw a cat eye. When you are done, put glue on that cat eye and add glitters on top of that glue. Make sure you put glitter first before eyelashes, because if you put eyelashes, the glitter is gonna be on top of the lashes. We don't want that. You don't need a nose job while we are doing this step. Highlight the nose in the middle, and then at the sides use a brown contour. This step is super easy. Grab a foundation which is of your color and smear it all over your face. Don't be stingy. And I am using a stick foundation. You can use a liquid foundation, it's fine. When you are done, just blend it out. Let's color correct now. We are going to conceal under eyes, on our chin, and on the forehead. And once we are done, we are going to blend that concealer out. Let's put some shape on our face. We're going to do this by contouring using the color brown. We're going to do our middle cheeks, the jawline, the forehead line. Then we do the usual, which is blending. We blend it out. Grab your loose powder and place it in the areas which you previously concealed, which is under eyes, chin, forehead. When you are done, take the fluffy brush and brush it out. If it ever happens that you feel like you've put a lot of product, brush it off using a fluffy brush. And if it happens that you feel you're not satisfied with the final product, you can repeat the same step as I am doing right now. The dust particles got me. Excuse me. And let's continue. I then go to my color palette and choose the color trims, and I do under eyes. Ooh, I have sensitive eyes. They are so watery. Check that nose highlight to see if it's how you want it to be, my beauties. My beauties, let's apply blush to those cute little upper cheeks of ours. To achieve the best nude lip color combination, you're going to need black and nude lipstick. Apply carefully on your lips. Watch how I'm doing it. Final step, spray the setting spray and let it dry. Trust me, my beauties, that's a happy scream because we look absolutely amazing. You look absolutely snatching. So this is how we look. This is the final product of what we've been doing. All that I can say is that thank you for showing me love. You reaching this point with me really means a lot for me. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and show me some love on the comment section. Do the most, child. Do the most for your girl. So if you have any suggestion on what we can do on the next video, kindly write in the comment section. I will really appreciate it, and I like hearing from you guys. So this one favor for me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time I post. I love you, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video. Bye.